Everybody, so let's take a look at customizing the point hotspots that we had just created. So I'm in my groups area here, and oh look, this is the display name. Remember we entered the display name? This is where it shows up, makes it easier for you to figure out what things are. So let's go to user icons. First of all, I'm going to upload a couple icons. I don't have anything uploaded. I'm going to go over it, and I've got 3 icons of various airplanes here, little cartoon guys. Yeah, it looks good. We'll upload those. So once I've uploaded these icons, they become available to the entire team, right? So they're available for selection in any snap, any group. So if we go to the groups and into the old demo group and this one, our high example, which starts, let's change the start point again. Details, yeah, let's start there. Great. Okay, so SeekBeak example low. This is a very boring hotspot. So, I mean, it's the name of the snap we're going to, but it's a bit boring. So let's just change this to going down. Now, let's change the icon to, let's do this one. It's animated. Who doesn't love an animated airplane? Just going down and an airplane. I don't know. Is this politically correct? I mean, we'll go with it, but it's treading a fine line, I feel. So let's we'll manage start point, and no, we want to keep that the same. What I want to do is I want to change the icon. So let's change the scale of it, make it a little bit bigger. And do we rotate it? Yeah, because it doesn't have that transparent background. It kind of looks a bit hokey. Yeah, well, I mean, we'll do it just for demo purposes, just to show that you can. And so now we could also change this to rich text, because right now it's just kind of a plain text. We can change it to rich text, and maybe make it a little bit bigger. Let's just change this, okay? It feels wrong. Lower image. How about that? That's a little, and a period. That way it's much more correct. Okay, now when we click that, yes, we're going to the lower image, and now this one going up. I mean, let's pick a new icon for this just to show you how it all works. There is this colored icon here, and if we open this up, I'm going to make it larger, and you can see here because it's got these kind of it's very long horizontal because we've got these images here. So I'm not entirely sure. Yeah, see, when you rotate it like this, it makes things humongous. So, I mean, yeah, let's just do it. And we'll do that, and we will make the background transparent. That looks much nicer. And what the hover as well. No, we don't want that. So let's change the hover to nothing as well. And then maybe, I mean, we could even just erase the text, right? And just have the airplane. And, I mean, do we want to make them going straight up like this? Why not? Right? So now, there's the airplane. We click him, and we can go up, and then we get our terrible animated GIF. Same thing, right? So again, this is completely up to you. As you could tell, I'm not a designer, right? But I know how to show things and how to give you the ideas, because you're the clever ones that are going to make this look good. Okay, so that's customizing the colors and the icons, and we've looked at the transitions, but we didn't look at custom transitions. So let's just take a quick look at that.